Hi dorks! Welcome to my new series. I'm gonna call it Weird Sushi, because I'm basically gonna put ingredients in sushi, specifically maki rolls, that is utterly weird. For this first episode, we're gonna start with mustard, ketchup, and relish. It's the ketchup is gonna be utterly disgusting. I just know it already. But you know what? You just gotta try everything at least once. So, let's just skip right to the sushi making. Hopefully I made enough rice for all 3 rolls. If not, whatever. So let's get right down to it. See you in a bit. Bap. Okay, so as you've probably noticed, the condiments don't really provide a lot of support. These are some pretty messy maki rolls. But let's have a look at some of them. Let's get a good looking one, at least. Flip that around. Alright, so this is the mustard one. Here goes. It's actually not terrible. Once again, I added a little bit too much wasabi. But whatever, maybe that masks a little some of the flavor. That horrible flavor. Alright. So, mustard roll, not that bad. Let's get one of these relish rolls. Hopefully one that won't fall apart. They're all falling apart. Alright, so let's try a relish roll. That's gonna be disgusting. Okay, so it's bad but not horrible. Bad but not horrible. That's gonna be the new motto. Alright. Now on to the ketchup. Not looking forward to this one. Bottoms up. Hi back there, Paleo. Alright, yeah. Ketchup, not very good. No. Hopefully I'll have some better ingredients next time. But then again, where's the fun in that? I was hoping to do sauerkraut, but I didn't have any. Alright, so I guess I'm just gonna finish most of this sushi. Slowly eat it. Endure it. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!